Does the Roblox app keep crashing on iPhone or iPad? Hi there, this is Eve, and in this video I'll show you the ultimate guide to fix keep crashing issues on iPhone. To solve crashing issues, follow my 4 advanced guides. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Enable background app refresh for the Roblox game. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap Background app refresh. Find out Roblox, toggle off this option and turn it back on. Quickly after that, tap Background app refresh. Be sure to select Wi-Fi and mobile data. Solution 2. Update the app. Often an old version can cause crashing issues. So you can open your App Store, find out Roblox, update the app. Solution 3. Offload the app. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone storage, find out the tap Offload, tap Offload again, tap Reinstall. Solution 4. Free up storage. Often low storage can cause crashing issues for the certain app. So removing wanted files and apps can help. I hope one of these steps helps you fix the issue and enjoy playing Roblox on your iPhone again. Thanks for watching.